Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we are at Rift Airsoft Com Site 3, located just outside of Banbury. And in today's video we are going to announce the winner of the Cybergun Desert Eagle 50AE. So if you want to see if you've won this awesome prize, stick around, winner will be announced later on in the video.
This is a video from our last winner playing with his new toy.
Pro grade BB bullets. Smooth and polished to optimist performance and health of all airsoft pews. Great quality, great price. 2-for-1 offer active.
The players with cameras are Jamie, Jam, and Simon.
Nice!
I need to watch outside, left side, left side. You alright? You good?
Yeah, I'm fucking brilliant, mate.
Keep your head down though, keep your head down. Good lad.
That was recorded, fucking.
I am, I missed it though.
Just look at the fucking bones on the ground. Oh shit. I got...
Good lad.
I need to do pictures over a second, 30 seconds. Come on, I didn't even see what it was. Oh, that there. Bloody hell. Well played, buddy.
Come on.
Push around to the right.
Pointed. Watch your 9 o'clock.
Bang!
Got him! No, anyone down here? Sorry,
I don't have anyone in there.
Sure, I got him.
Nice.
There's another one on that wall as well, that side, alright?
Surprise!
You blue, I'm red.
I'm presuming this, I can't even fucking see,
Yeah, I'm
mate.
red, mate. Oh, you got that one. Sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Good, good. Here, we'll let you have that. Come on. Yeah.
Red.
Yeah, sound. Get down.
I got him.
This is the second part of the day. On the first half of the day, the enemy absolutely destroyed us. So we wanted to make sure we could take that middle building and hold it and stop them from pushing us back.
Nice, right. Let's get in the building then, mate. Well, what you got that side, dude?
It looks as though the enemy have already made it inside of the building.
No kill. Where is he? Where? Is there?
Yeah.
Right, he's gone. He's gone. Gone.
Who's inside, man?
Yeah, I've just taken two. The blue team. The blue team's inside. Jamie's just gone in.
That was a close one. I need to get inside to help Jamie push. Well done, Jamie. We've eliminated one of the players inside. Rift have also put a new rule into place. If you get hit on the gun, that also counts as a hit.
Watch yourself. Enemy in there. Give me cover, guys. The other end of the building, yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Fire! That was a hallway, no kill!
That's the hallway, no kill unless somebody steps down.
No kill! Is there somebody in there? Right, I got him. I've got no grenades left. Got a grenade. Good man.
Good shot, mate.
Sound.
Yeah. Got one.
Oh, sorry, mate. Single shot in building! Single shot in building! Get that walking!
Got it, yeah? Cheers, bud.
Coming out, yeah?
Yeah.
We've managed to clear most of the enemy players, so I've decided to push on forwards. There is still enemy team just on the end of the building. The enemy team is asking what colour is in this building. Obviously I don't want to give away my position, so I've decided to stay quiet.
Come on. Red.
Come on!
Oi, surrender. Good man.
Just fucking fire.
What?
Just fire.
No, fire.
It's easier.
Got it? Got it? Got him?
Right guys, it's now time to draw the winner for the Desert Eagle. Best of luck everybody. Congratulations. Can the winner please get in touch with me via the Mechanicals Facebook page?
Little fucker. Mate, watch yourself on that left hand side. Watch yourself on that left hand side.
Yeah.
Is there a rental right in front? Is there somebody in the front?
Dude, watch yourself.
Yeah. No. Oh, this is a good dog.
Right there, there's a young lad straight in front.
I see him. He's exactly here. on!
He's gone. We have got enemy pushing far right, but they're going towards there's one there. Who's that? Who's that? That's blue there.
That was good. That's too bad. Ow.
Hey, good shot.